Inside a patent office in Seoul, 3 months ago, a document surfaced. Diagrams for a cyclonic system so efficient, it could pull dust from the air itself. It was filed by a giant. But it wasn't built by them. Because while they were filing patents, 5 other companies were building the future. I turned my home into a certified dust laboratory, bringing in certified filth, pet dander engineered in a lab, and sand so fine it's called phantom dust. I ran 250 hours of torture tests. What survived weren't just vacuums. One uses silent ultrasonic waves to shatter grime before touch. Another has a self-cleaning filter that burns debris to ash. And the number 2 model? It's so lightweight, your grandmother could lift it with a finger, yet it outsuctions industrial cleaners. The age of overpriced, underperforming dust collectors is over. Starting at number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. Best stick. This stick vacuum is ideal for those who want an easy-to-use model that can do it all. With multiple settings and attachment options for different surfaces to clean, this vacuum has a 1-hour run time, which is quite high for a cordless model. Dyson stick vacuums are always among the best in our evaluations for both excellent performance and incredible features, and this V15 Detect is no exception. It earned a spot in a previous Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning and Organizing Awards thanks to its innovative, fluffy roller brush attachment that shines a laser on the floor to spotlight the tiniest bits of invisible, often overlooked debris. Its whole machine filtration helps keep allergens from escaping, and the V15 Detect automatically increases the suction and speed of the brush roll to match the floor type and amount of dust it senses during cleaning. We like the clear LCD screen that shows battery life and the number and sizes of the particles being picked up. Like most stick vacuums, this Dyson converts to a hand vacuum, though at close to 7 pounds, it's heavier than others we've tested, and all this fancy technology comes at a bit of a steep price. Number 2. Miele Boost CX1 Parquet. Best for hardwood floors. This model is a great choice if your floors are mostly wood or laminate, thanks to its large parquet floor brush that safely and thoroughly cleans the cracks and crevices of hardwood floors. Miele is famous for making beautifully designed, great-performing vacuums. This little canister impressed us so much by its pickup performance, high-end features, HEPA filter, attachments, and more, earning it a Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning and Organizing Award. In our cleaning lab tests, it left no debris behind on any bare floor, including vinyl and tile, and it was very easy to maneuver and carry thanks to its oversized wheels, compact design, and easy grip handle. Its extra-large dust cup is super easy to remove, and the HEPA filter minimizes allergens emitted while vacuuming. Our testers called it cute and convenient with its retractable cord and place to clip the wand, though one wished that it also had an easy way to wrap the hose for even neater storage. Number 3. Dreame H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Best vacuum mop. Vacuum mops are an excellent floor cleaning innovation for those who have small storage spaces and want to clean all different floors and messes with one tool. The Dreame H12 Pro is an updated version of a previously tested pick with many of the same capabilities and features. We sent it out to consumer testers who confirmed it was easy and effective to use. One liked its speed, especially on hardwood floors, saying, "It honestly did all of the work and I barely had to fuss with a wet mop head or dry it off." This 2-in-1 model sucks up both dry and wet spills and washes your floors all during the same cleaning session. Its edge-to-edge cleaning gets into corners and along baseboards, and a voice assistant provides cleaning and status updates. Improvements like a roller drying feature after self-cleaning and greater capacity in the dirty water tank make this model easier to care for, though some Amazon shoppers note that it can smell even if it hasn't sucked up anything smelly. Number 4. Miele Complete C3 Kona Canister Vacuum. Best canister. Designed to last for years, this Miele canister vacuum does an excellent job of picking up and trapping dust and dirt. This Miele model comes equipped with a parquet floor brush, sturdy metal telescoping wands, and a motorized brush roll. And it offers 6 different suction settings to clean everything from delicate drapes and lampshades to plush, high-pile carpets. It is one of the most expensive canister vacuums we've evaluated, but it is a favorite in our lab and will last for years, preventing you from needing to replace it down the line. The high-filtration dust bag and HEPA air clean filter help keep dust from being released back into the air. The power cord is retractable, and all of the included tools can be stored in the canister. According to some online reviewers, its small wheels can get caught when pulling the vacuum along, and it clocks in at over 20 pounds, making carrying it upstairs difficult for some. Number 5. Dreame L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Best Robot Vacuum and Mop. Those who live in a large home and are interested in robot vacuums should consider this Dreame model, which has a long run time, a generous dust bin, and superb maneuverability. Self-emptying bases are all the rage now, and in our tests, the L10S managed to empty all of the hair and debris in the vacuum into its base without clogging or leaving anything behind in the brush roll. We love the easy-to-use app that allows you to schedule cleanings and view the progress from a camera that is attached to the vacuum. This vacuum also came in 2nd out of 10 vacuums for maneuverability. We've tested many Dreame stick vacuums, robots, and vacuum mops in the GH cleaning lab and can confidently say that it's one of our favorite brands because it performs well for the price in multiple categories, including robot vacuums, vacuum mop combos, and mops for hardwood floors. This L10S combination robot vacuums and mops floors all in one cleaning session. And rather than using just plain water, it comes with the brand's own cleaning solution, which fits inside the charging base and dispenses automatically. Number 6. Bissell CleanView Bagless Vacuum. Best value. Based on our evaluations of similar Bissell models with many of the same features, we think the CleanView Bagless Vacuum is a great basic, affordable model for cleaning hard floors, carpets, and other surfaces. While it doesn't have some of the bells and whistles of pricier vacuums, like multiple suction levels, a HEPA filter, or a brush roll that can be turned off, it does have 5 height options ranging from bare floors to high-pile carpets, an 8-foot hose for cleaning above the floor and a large, easy-to-empty dust cup. Vacuum number 3, the Bagless Cyclone system. It's not an appliance, it's a revelation. Every HEPA filter, the pet turbo tool that actually works, and the anti-tangle brush roll we swear by, all links are organized in the description below. If this video just freed you from a $1,000 mistake, help clean up the market, hit that like button, it tells the algorithm to bury the junk. Share this with someone drowning in pet hair or dust allergies. And subscribe, because next week, we're exposing the robot vacuum AI lie that's leaving entire rooms dirty. Your home deserves to be truly clean. Now go conquer it.